We'll guide you through how to use ClickUp to boost your productivity and manage your tasks efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ClickUp website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Start by creating a new workspace if you don't have one. Click on the Spaces icon on the left sidebar, then select Add Space. Name your space and select a template that fits your needs, whether it's for project management, personal tasks, or team collaboration. Next, you'll want to create a new task. Click on the New Task button at the top of the screen. Enter a task name and add any details or descriptions that will help you complete it. You can assign the task to yourself or a team member by clicking on the Assignee option. Set a due date by clicking on the calendar icon. This will help keep your tasks organized and ensure they are completed on time. You can also add tags to categorize your tasks, making them easier to find later. If you need to break down a task into smaller, manageable parts, use the Subtasks feature. Click on the Add Subtask button within your task window and fill in the details. To track the progress of your tasks, use ClickUp's Status feature. You can move tasks from To Do to In Progress and then to Complete as you work on them. This visual workflow helps you and your team see what stage each task is in. Another great feature is ClickUp's integrations. You can connect your ClickUp account with tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and more to streamline your workflow. To do this, click on Integrations in the Settings menu and follow the prompts to set them up. Finally, make sure you explore the different views ClickUp offers, such as List, Board, Calendar, and Gantt, to find the one that best suits your working style. Each view provides a unique perspective on your tasks and projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.